Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to insert page borders in Microsoft Word. Adding a page border can make your document look more polished and professional. Follow these steps to insert a border using the border and shading option in Microsoft Word. Click on the Design tab in the ribbon at the top. On the right hand side, look for the page background group. Click on Page Borders. A new window titled Borders and Shading will open. Follow these steps. Select the Page Border tab. Make sure you are in the page border. Choose a border style. Under Settings, select the following. None removes any existing border. Box adds a simple rectangular box. Shadow gives the border a slight 3D shadow effect. 3D makes the border appear raised or recessed. Custom allows you to customize each side of the border differently. Pick a line style, color, and width. For style, scroll through the list to choose a line type like solid, dotted, dashed, double, etc. For color, click the drop down to select a color. The default color is black, so for this case, let's choose a blue color. Width, adjust the thickness measured in points. But if you want a decorative border, use the Art drop down to select designs like stars, flowers, or holiday themed borders. Now, set the border placement and apply to. Choose where the border should appear. Wall document adds the border to every page. This section applies only to current section used for multi-section documents. This section, first page only, adds a border only to the first page. This section, all except first page, skips the first page but adds borders to the rest. For this case, we selected this section, first page only, because we want the border to appear only on the first page. To adjust border margins, click the Options button in the bottom right corner. In the new window, you can set the distance from the edge of the page. Choose whether to measure from the text edge or page edge. Click OK to save changes. Now, let's apply the border. After configuring your settings, click OK in the Borders and Shading window. The border will now appear on your document. To remove page border, go back to the Design tab on the ribbon and click on Page Borders. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, under the Settings section, select None to remove the border. Click OK to apply the changes and close the dialog box. And that's how you can easily add or remove page borders in Word. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tips on the channel.